this is Nutritionist Harpreet Pasricha, and I am going to tell you a healthy bowl. Nowadays there's a trend of Buddha bowls and healthy bowls. So for that you need sliced cucumber, tomato, some jalapenos or olives or gherkins, whatever you want, pomegranate, avocado. A lot of people don't like avocado, but after tasting this they probably will change their mind. Some onion rings, which can be optional if you don't like onion or onion smell. And for dressing I have chili flakes, lime, salt, then there is little olive oil and honey. And for garnishing I have some walnut and fresh basil. So what I'm going to do is mix up all the ingredients of the dressing together. So lime juice goes in, olive oil goes in, some honey goes in, a little bit of salt, that can be as per your choice, and some chili flakes. Okay, so we just mix them together. So our dressing is ready, and you just need to do is take up something like this kind of a platter, or you could take a deep dish and put whatever you like, say sliced tomatoes, some cucumber, onion rings, then we have this pomegranate and some avocado, and just mix them this together. And I'm gonna pour this up a little, and rest I'm gonna pour on the side. So as per person's choice, they can use this dressing. Sprinkle some walnuts to it, and some crushed basil leaves here. Okay, so it's a quick dish, a good side dish, a good snack, even is a very good option for a dinner. And here we go. So we are ready with our dish, that is the healthy avocado bowl.